Thanks for watching. Let me make a quick video on this BMW's dreaded lug nut issue. So this is the 323 and the lug nuts, as you can see. So these are actually bolts instead of lug nut. This is not really lug nut. Oh, sorry, it's noisy. There's a plane overhead. Let's pause it for a second. So these are bolts really. It's weird and it's pretty difficult to install sometimes. And if it's especially if it's the rotor starts moving and then it doesn't align. Like this bolt has to align this hole with the rotor inside and inside the rotor, so there's a plate there, right? So once they are not aligning, then this bolt won't go to the thread. So the one solution is you can actually take it off, and they sell the conversion kit. So it's a kind of a stud with threaded stud. So you put that stud, lock it, and then you can use the regular lug nuts. So that's a very good solution actually. Now often this thing breaks, so I have a couple of broken ones here. I'll show how to extract it. So this is the first broken one. Now look how it broke. So what we'll do, jack up the car, make it safe. There's a video on it too, Underwise Monkey, how to safely jack up a car. Now take these off, take the wheel off, and then we'll use, depending on how much it's sticking out, we might be able to just get away with the easier solution. So I'll show you in a second. Let's take the wheel off first. So we took the wheel off, and this is the broken stud. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to weld this one here. Not on this surface, okay? You just have to weld on the inside from there and build the weld to the thread here, to the thread into this. So inside and to the thread into that. If we end up oil spot here, we may have to grind it off because it has to be smooth. And other option is take this off, take the caliper off, and then weld it there. It's sticking out. In that case, it's actually best or easiest, but we have more likelihood of damaging that back plate there. Anyway, let's try this way. So I welded the nut without taking the caliper off. It's red hot right now, so do not touch it. You can put some water actually around it and then try a socket to take it out. Yeah, so there's the one. It's pretty clean weld really. Let's see if it works. So this nut didn't, it was tough to, well, oh my, it's hot. Sorry, I burned my fingertips. You can see that has burned. Super hot still. So nut didn't stay there, but as I tapped on the nut, the main stud came loose, and I managed to grab it by the plier and turn it. It's coming out because it gotten hot, so it was easier to bring it out. Now once it's out, don't touch, it's very hot and I'm touching. So I'm gonna show just one thing. Let's pause it here. So I think it's the last bit. Yeah, so it's out. So that's what happens. It's rusted at the back, and so success. 1 down, 5 to go. How nice. Who puts things this way? Who puts Like this kind of engineering, huh? In a sense, it's not bad actually. It's easier than the regular stud. When that stud breaks, sometimes you have to change the wheel bearing and everything, right? So it's not too bad. But get a converter that goes in here and then put regular lug nut. That's the best, I think. Use Loctite with those. Now, quickly. So make sure this surface is still smooth. This is still smooth, right? Yeah, it's all good. So it should be good. And that's it. So until next one, I'll take off the other ones now.